Hi, so we've been sent this really lovely watch to review. This is the box it comes in. So, rather smart. And it is an AEAC smartwatch, and it's the model IDW19, and it comes with Alexa smart communication and lots of advanced health tracking fitness features, and it's waterproofed. And actually comes with quite a lot of really nice features. But what we'll probably do then is just show you the contents of the box and then tell you a little bit more about all of the features. So this is what's inside the box. It's all quite neatly packaged. So you've got the charging cable, it's the 2-pin type that goes onto the back of the watch. And then you've got the instruction manual. And it includes QR code and including advice on how to download and link the app that supports the phone. And you can register your product as well. There's a QR code for that. And then the actual watch comes with a protective cover on, which does also usefully indicate where you power on and find the functions. And so that's one of the screens you can have. It's like you can see, it's quite a neat, smart design. Lightweight, very lightweight, and it fits very comfortably on the wrist. So it's nice and light and comfortable to wear, and I've got quite slim wrists, so it's not too big on my wrist as well. Okay, so to activate the watch, you can either flick or just press the button on the side. I hope you can see that okay. Before we go into the details of the functions, I'm just going to talk you through a little bit about the features that the watch does come with. So we mentioned about it's got Alexa smart communication, so you can talk to the watch. It's got quite a lot of nice health and fitness tracking features that we'll go into a bit more. As I say, you've got customized interfaces, the sedentary reminder, we mentioned voice control, and then you can also record your daily workouts. It's got a heart rate monitor, oximeter for specific oxygen. You can monitor your sleep, your breathing control, some different features coming up, and much more. And there are different free watch interfaces that you can choose from. The battery lasts for up to 8 days. It's a 300 milliamp battery, and it comes with a 5-year guarantee as well, and all at a very affordable price. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a few more features of the actual watch face. So I've chosen this particular watch face, but there are lots of different free ones that you can choose from. And on this version you get your heart rate, the power battery level, the temperature, time, and a few different features. If you click a second time, you get more different options again. So activity phone, you can connect to Alexa, you can do a workout. Let's go back. And then different things like sleep, breathe, check the weather, cycle tracking, listen to music, and camera control. So there are quite a few different features there. If you want a shortcut to the Alexa connection, you can just swipe from that side, from the left. And there are more different activity options, so you can track, so if you're out and about and you want to track a walk that you've done or some other exercise, you can do that here, which shows what activity you have done. This gives you more settings options, swiping down from the top, and you can check any messages swiping up. So just looking a bit more at the activity functions, so in workout, so if you go down to the workout, you can control this from the phone. Click on there and it will start recording the activity that you chose. So it's outdoor walk in this case, but there are, I think it's over 100 different types of activity that you can log. And then once you finish the activity, you should be able to stop the record, and then it will keep some data about how much you've done, how many calories you've burnt, and other records on that activity. that also links it, where we're going to go to the app soon, but on the app it gives you quite a lot of functionality to track activity, diet, and all these different health features. Great, so if you've got any previous records and you want to check what workouts you've done recently, if you go click again, but instead of going on workout, you can go on workout records and it will show you previous records. So we've got a outdoor walk and it shows how long you walked for, what distance, the rates, average stride, etc. And I think also the calories you burn, recovery time. Okay, so lots of information there. And another handy feature, if you're like me and sometimes forget where you put your phone, you have got the Find Phone feature. And that should alert you to where the phone is. And then speaking of the phone, we're going to show you the app that works together with the watch. Right, so this is the home screen for the Very Fit app that works together with the watch. It's very easy to use. And this is the home screen, gives you some basic health information. So it tells you any steps you've done that day, how many miles, how much sleep you've had, how many steps, stress levels, oxygen levels, and some other data. And you can record the weight and some other information. And then you've got these wellness management features if you want to use them, so improving sleep habits, exercise, weight management, and so on. So you've got your basic account set up under My, so this is your personal information and your settings, your theme, how you want to use the app. You'll set that in that section. And then your device itself, you can choose whichever watch face you would like, health tracking, notifications, calls, whether you want the alarm clock, linking your Alexa and so on, different options. And then this is where you would log your exercise, so that's so you can select many different kinds of exercise. I think there's more options there. So for example, it tells you cumulative exercise, you can start a new exercise, and that will link with the watch as well. And off you go. If it's some exercise that's been tracked from the app, and you've gone at physical distance, it will use GPS and track your distance. I can show an example of that. So just for an example, if you want to record an outdoor walk, select the outdoor walk setting on the phone, click start, and then off you go. And it will also wake up the watch as well, so it's recording on the watch that activity. Okay, and then you can pause, so you can see the GPS is connected. So you can pause, and you can then stop that activity. So I want to just show you an exercise that I recorded previously. So if you have a look here, so this is a walk that I did. It shows you how far you did and what location if you wanted to record that. It's quite a nice feature. And then going back. Okay. So yeah, so everything's summarised there. You can use it. It's really flexible how you want to use it. Really easy to use and very convenient and well worth a look. Great. So if this has piqued your interest at all, there are details in the description below. And do take a look if it might be something that you think you'd want to have a look at and find more about. So just a quick summary. So the AEAC IDW19 smartwatch comes with the Alexa smart communication system. It has advanced health, fitness and tracking, which we talked a bit about, 110 or more sports modes. It's all waterproof. You get customised interfaces. You can get your sedentary reminder to get up so you don't get a dead leg. Voice control. You can set up daily workouts. You can check the heart rate monitor, check oxygen levels, check the sleep monitoring, breathe monitoring, and much more. And you get a nice selection of free watch faces that you can choose from. It's got a nice long life battery lasting up to 8 days with 300 milliamps of power there, and 5-year guarantee, all up to very affordable price. So check again on the description below for more information for a great little watch at a fantastic price.